sum up the 80 minutes for me, if you will, just because it's very, a crazy game with so many scrum penalties, yellow cards, players going on and off. I mean, have you ever witnessed anything like that frantic?
Yeah, yes, we had got in the previous game a red card. The guy goes off. We had a concussion called with with a mouth guard that didn't ping. Our week, for example, this week was Monday just seeing Can Lood play, Can Sous play. Then Monday from 8 o'clock till 12 o'clock we had a hearing with Franco, and then Wednesday from 8 o'clock till 12 o'clock we had a hearing with Lood. So the whole week was crazy for us. So yeah, obviously then the game was very physical, and there was a 20-minute red card given, which I thought was the right call. The referee or one of the touch chatters says always illegal, and which I thought always illegal is a very weird word from when does always illegal start and when does it end. So I think there's something to clear up there, but I thought it was the right call so that the other player could come back onto the field. I do think we were dominant in scrums. I'm not saying I'm not saying who should have gotten yellow cards and who not, but we've been part of quite a few games that was like this, where we had to grind it out of 14 men. There was a totally different challenge here. I thought we were dominant for most parts of the game, but just couldn't kill it when we were inside the 22. So it was hectic. It was difficult to manage. It was difficult sometimes to understand who's off and who's on and who comes back and who's got a HIA and who's injured. But that's test match rugby at the highest level, and you have to understand and manage those kind of things.